Hi everybody, I just wanted to come on here and tell you how this Google form works. So from Google Classroom, it should look something like this when you click on the link. So you would click on fill out form, and then these blue letters are links that you would click on, and it will open on a new page, and it's an audio, and it's going to be me saying sounds of a word. It would be easier if your child has a piece of paper in front of them that they can write down the sound that they hear, the corresponding letter, and then you would just hit play.
What word is big?
And then they can write it down in a notebook or a piece of paper, and if they missed a sound, then they can listen to it again.
What word is...
And then they will come back here and figure out if it was pin, pat, pig, or purple, and they just like click on it, and then they move on to the next one, play it.
What word is
and then come back and figure out if it was jump, jam, Jim, or Jasper. And then they go on so forth for all the words. The only one that is different is this last one. It says choose one of the words above and write a sentence or two about it. So they could go up. Theirs will be clicked on the correct word. So let's see. Maybe this one was bed, so I'm gonna choose bed, and I could come on here, right? I have a bed. It is big and blue. And then they could type that about it, and if they can't type it, it's a little too difficult for them, then they can write it on a piece of paper, and you could go ahead and write written on a piece of paper, or written on paper. You can write written on paper, and then you just hit submit. But if you have any questions, please let me know.